This is the sign your life is moving forward. Even if everything does not look perfect right now, something inside you may already be changing. You may be thinking differently, setting stronger boundaries, letting go of people or habits that no longer bring you peace, or feeling less connected to the life you once accepted. These changes can feel confusing, but they are often signs of growth. Moving forward does not always mean that every problem disappears. Sometimes it means you are becoming stronger, calmer, and more aware of what you truly deserve. You may notice that you no longer react the way you used to. You may be choosing peace instead of arguments, rest instead of pressure, and self-respect instead of chasing approval. These small changes matter. They show that your mind and heart are slowly creating space for a better chapter. Your progress may be quiet, but it is still real. You are not standing still. You are learning, healing, and becoming more prepared for the life you want. In the next section, we will begin with long-form affirmations to help you release what has been holding you back and gently move toward greater peace, confidence, and positive change. I am ready to release everything that no longer belongs in my life. I gently let go of old pain, heavy memories, fear, and the need to keep holding on to what has already ended. I understand that letting go does not mean that my feelings were not real. It means I am choosing peace over suffering and growth over staying stuck. I no longer allow the past to control the way I see myself or the future that is waiting for me. I release the belief that I am behind in life. I release the pressure to have everything figured out right now. My journey is moving at the right pace for me, and every small step is taking me closer to a better place. I forgive myself for the choices I made when I did not know better. I accept that I was doing the best I could with the understanding I had at that time. I am creating space for new peace, new opportunities, and healthier experiences. I no longer chase what makes me feel unwanted, unseen, or unworthy. I choose what respects my heart and supports my growth. With every breath I feel calmer and freer. I trust that what leaves my life is making room for something more peaceful, meaningful, and right for me. I trust the changes happening within me, even when I cannot fully explain them. I am learning to listen to myself more clearly. I am becoming aware of what brings me peace and what quietly drains my energy. I no longer ignore the feelings that guide me towards something healthier. Every new thought, every stronger boundary, and every calm decision is proof that I am growing. I accept that I am not the same person I was before. My past experiences have taught me important lessons, but they do not decide who I must become. I am thinking with greater wisdom, responding with more patience, and choosing myself with more love. I do not need everyone to understand the changes I am making. These changes are helping me become more honest, peaceful, and confident. I trust the person I am becoming. I trust my inner voice, my healing, and the quiet strength growing inside me. Even when progress feels slow, I know something meaningful is taking place. My mind is becoming clearer, my heart is becoming lighter, and my choices are becoming stronger. I am moving away from fear and closer to peace. The changes within me are preparing me for a life that feels more true, balanced, and right for me. I accept that growth can sometimes feel uncomfortable. There may be moments when I feel confused, lonely, tired, or unsure of what comes next. I remind myself that these feelings do not mean I am going backward. They may simply mean that I am leaving an old version of myself behind and learning how to live in a new way. I give myself permission to grow without rushing the process. I do not need to have every answer today. I can take one step at a time and trust that clarity will come when I am ready. I understand that change can feel unfamiliar, even when it is leading me towards something better. I choose not to fear the space between what has ended and what is beginning. I am becoming stronger through every challenge I face. I am learning to sit with my feelings instead of running from them. I am learning that peace does not always come from knowing exactly what will happen. Sometimes, peace comes from trusting myself enough to keep moving forward. I am safe while I grow. I am supported while I change. Even in uncertain moments, my life is still guiding me toward greater wisdom, deeper peace, and a future that feels more honest and meaningful. I release the need to control every detail of my life. I understand that not everything has to happen exactly when or how I expect it to. Some answers take time, and some paths become clear only after I stop forcing them. I choose to breathe, slow down, and trust that I do not need to solve everything today. I let go of the pressure to know what comes next. I no longer chase people, outcomes, or situations that leave me feeling tired and uncertain. What is truly right for me will not require me to lose my peace. I can make honest choices, take healthy action, and then allow life to unfold naturally. I trust that delays do not mean failure. I trust that uncertainty does not mean something is wrong. Even when I cannot see the full path, I believe I am still being guided forward. I give myself permission to rest without feeling guilty. I allow calmness to replace fear and patience to replace pressure. I am learning to live with more trust and less control. I focus on what I can do today and release what is beyond my hands. My life does not need to be perfect for me to feel safe. I am supported, I am guided, and everything is slowly finding its right place. I am open to new opportunities entering my life. I allow myself to believe that something better can begin, even if I cannot see it yet. I welcome new relationships, fresh ideas, meaningful work, financial growth, healing, and peaceful experiences. I no longer believe that my past limits what is possible for my future. I am ready to notice the doors opening around me. I trust myself to recognize the opportunities that feel right for my heart and support the life I want to create. I do not need to accept everything that comes my way. I choose what brings respect, balance, growth, and peace into my life. I release the fear of starting again. New beginnings are not proof that I have failed. They are proof that I am brave enough to choose a different path. I am willing to learn, grow, and step beyond what feels familiar. Every new step helps me discover more of my strength. I believe that life can surprise me in beautiful ways. The right people, ideas, resources, and possibilities can reach me at the right time. I am prepared to receive them with confidence and gratitude. My life is expanding, my path is becoming clearer, and I am moving toward opportunities that match the person I am becoming. I trust that every delay is not a denial. Sometimes, life slows me down because I am being protected, prepared, or guided towards something better. A closed door does not mean that I am not worthy. It may simply mean that the path was not right for me, or that something more suitable is waiting ahead. I release the need to take every setback personally. I understand that not everything I lose is meant to be found again. Some endings are creating space for new beginnings. Some disappointments are helping me see what I truly need, what I deserve, and where I should place my energy. I choose to believe that redirection can be a blessing. Even when my plans change, my life can still move forward. I do not need to understand every reason right now. I can trust that clarity will come with time. What feels like a delay today may later become the reason I found a better path. I am willing to stay open, patient, and hopeful. I trust that the right opportunities will arrive when I am ready to receive them. My journey is not falling apart. It is being rearranged in a way that supports my growth. I am being guided away from what is not meant for me and closer to what truly belongs in my life. I choose to become the person I know I can be. I no longer make every decision from fear, pain, or the need to please others. I listen to my inner voice and choose what supports my peace, confidence, and self-respect. Each choice I make is helping me create a life that feels more honest and meaningful. I am learning to respond with wisdom instead of reacting from old emotions. I pause before giving my energy to people or situations that do not feel right. I do not abandon myself to keep others comfortable. I can be kind while still protecting my boundaries. I can love others without forgetting to love myself. I release the habits and beliefs that belong to an older version of me. I am not required to repeat the same patterns forever. I am allowed to change my mind, choose a new direction, and expect better for my life. Every day, I am becoming more confident in who I am and what I deserve. I choose peace over chaos, courage over fear, and self-respect over approval. I trust the person I am becoming. My future is shaped by the choices I make today, and I am choosing thoughts, actions, and relationships that help me move forward. I believe that better days are unfolding for me. Even when I cannot see the full picture, I trust that my life is moving in a positive direction. Every lesson, every ending, and every small step is guiding me toward greater peace, happiness, and abundance. I am not stuck. I am growing in ways that will soon become clear. I allow myself to feel hopeful again. I release the fear that the future will repeat the past. My past has taught me, but it does not control what comes next. I am creating a new chapter with stronger thoughts, healthier choices, and deeper trust in myself. I believe that good things can reach me. I am open to peaceful relationships, meaningful opportunities, financial growth, emotional healing, and moments of true happiness. I deserve a life that feels safe, balanced, and fulfilling. I no longer expect the worst. I gently prepare my heart to receive the best. Each day, I am moving closer to the life I have been hoping for. My progress may be quiet, but it is real. I trust that everything is beginning to come together. Better days are not far away. They are already starting within me through the way I think, the way I choose, and the way I continue moving forward. Take a slow breath and remind yourself that your life is moving forward, even when the progress feels small. Every time you choose peace, protect your energy, release the past, or believe in a better future, you are creating change. You do not need to have everything figured out. You only need to keep taking the next honest step. Trust the person you are becoming. Trust the lessons you have learned and the strength you have gained. What is meant for you is finding its way into your life, and you are becoming ready to receive it. Keep believing that better days are unfolding because the change you have been waiting for may already be happening within you. If these affirmations brought you comfort, peace, or hope, please like this video and share it with someone who may need these words today. Comment below, "My life is moving forward," to affirm your new chapter. Subscribe to the channel for more healing and empowering affirmations. Keep moving forward with trust because your journey is not over. Something better is beginning.